In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Phantom Wallet to bank. So what you'll need to do first is simply go and open your Phantom Wallet. And of course, you'll need to log in into your account. So you'll not be able to do this using just Phantom. You'll need a transfer, or you need basically a crypto exchange. So there are a lot of options like Coinbase, like Binance, and it's totally up to you to choose whatever you want. So you'll need first of all to transfer the crypto that you have from here to the other crypto exchange. Let's say an example, I'm just going here and click on send option, and here I'll have to choose the crypto that I want to send to the other option. So let's say I have here some Bitcoin, I can just go and choose that. And in here, I'll have to choose the account that I have the Bitcoin on, and I'll have to choose the amount that I want to send. Maybe an example, I have this amount. I can click on next. For me, I do not have any insufficient or I don't have any sufficient balance, so I'll not be able to click on next. For you, if you click on next, you'll have to choose basically the network that you want to send on and the address. Where can you get that from? You'll have to go to the other crypto exchange. For me, as an example in this video, let me just switch to my PC. I'll use Binance. So you'll need to have an account on Binance and make sure you verify that account to so you can sell this example and even deposit your crypto. So to do so, you will have to go and click on deposits at the top right corner. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. Click on deposit crypto and just go and click on that. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. So as you can see, I'll not be able to do it unless I verify my account using my ID. And after that, I'll have to choose the coin that I want to deposit. In our case, let's say an example, or as we said in here, it is Bitcoin. So you can just go and choose Bitcoin from here, and we'll have to choose network. Of course, choosing a network will be dependent on whatever network we have here in our Phantom application. So once I click on next, I'll be able to find the list of networks, and I can just choose the one that I have here on Binance and also on Phantom Wallet. So once I do so, they will give me a deposit address, and I'll have to go back here, an example, to my account in Phantom Wallet and enter that address depending on the network that I choose. Once I enter that and click on send, I'll be able to find then the money on my wallet right here on Binance. So once I confirm it is here, I can just go now to trade. Or before that example, you should find it like when you get it, you should find it on the spot, and you'll basically have to change it into funding wallet. It's very easy. You can just go and click on transfer, and of course you can choose here from fiat and spot to funding, and you can just choose the thing that you transfer, and you can just go and click on max, then click on confirm, and it will be transferred to funding. Once you do so, now you can go and hover trade, then go and click on P2P, and here the fund starts. You can just go and click, of course, on sell because we want to sell, not buy, and here we'll have to choose what currency you want to receive. Is it USD? Is it euro? Is it pound? Whatever you want. Of course, you can look for whatever you want here, and you shall find it. So, an example, I have here USD, and I want to sell Bitcoin. If you want to sell, like an example, USDT, USDC, Ethereum, BNB, it's totally basically up to you. So for example, here you'll have to look for the one that suits your need. As you can see, a lot of them offer bank transfers, and some of them offer like some Skrill options, some Zelle options, and it's totally up to you. So the one that suits your needs. So once you are here, just go and click on sell. For me, I'll not be able to do so unless I verify my accounts. But for you, once you verify your account, you'll be able to enter the amount exactly that you want to sell, and you will be able to, or you'll have then to give them your bank information so they can make the bank transfer right away. So once you're done, you should find your money on your bank account within no time, and you should be good to go. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.